In this video, we'll show you how to create categories and articles for your Help Center using Wix Answers. Wix Answers makes it easy for you to create and manage your knowledge base articles, FAQs, step-by-step guides, tutorials, and more. We recommend getting started by creating your categories. This will make it easier for your customers to find what they're looking for, and it's a good way to stay organized. Simply hover over the articles icon at the top left here and select Categories. You'll see you already have 3 of the most popular categories: Getting Started, Account, and FAQs. If you want to create your own, click Add New Category. Enter the name you want and click Create. You can add a subcategory or start creating your first article. In this example, we'll click Create Article. Type in your article's title and text. You have a rich content editor that lets you bold or italicize, as well as add links, bullets, steps, and images. Hover over your text for more formatting options. A plus icon will appear. From there, you can add text, a subtitle, informative note, dividing line, image, video, and GIF. Click More to add a table, collapsible article, code, and more. You'll see your category here in the top left. You'll also need to choose the article type. Article is the most common, typically used for tutorials or guides. Feature requests are great for collecting feedback or votes from users. And if you want to let users know about bugs or any issues, choose Known Issue. Here, we'll select Article. You can get your articles translated into different languages, add labels, write notes, attach relevant articles, and assign tasks to an agent. When you're ready, save the article as a draft or publish to make it live on your Help Center. You can also click to notify followers about this new article. To see how your article looks in your Help Center, click the 3 dots and select View Live. Click on Info here to see important stats like views, followers, related tickets, and whether or not people found this article helpful. Later, when you want to find an article you've previously written, simply hover over the articles icon at the top left here and select Article List. Here, you can search articles or use advanced filtering to find articles by task, who it was handled by, article type, and more. This video is always here, so come back and watch again for more help. To learn more, go to our Help Center, also powered by Wix Answers.